Yung nakakaasar sa LGBT community, tinatry nilang gaslightin yung mga tao towards sa pag-iwas ng kung ano yung totoo. Now, sabi dito ni Ramvin, that statement is not just wrong, it's dangerous. HIV is not exclusive to gay men. I agree. It affects straight men, straight women, married couples, sex workers, drug users, blah, 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 even babies, born to blah, blah, blah. HIV comes from lack of education. No! 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 It comes from a virus. Oh, mga Becky, it comes from a virus. Now, if it comes from a virus, the next question should be, paano siya natatransmit? Diba? Oh, pwedeng sa dugo, pwedeng sa pakikipagtalik, pwedeng sa mother-child transmission, pwede sa breastfeeding. So, yon ang pinaka-common na transmission. Now, sabi niya pa dito, testing access to healthcare safe practices and not from someone's gender, sexuality. Diba? That's bullcrap rhetorical na lang eh. Blaming an entire community and calling people messiah doesn't prevent HIV. I agree. It only spreads stigma, misinformation, which actually makes people more afraid to get tested or seek treatment. I agree. But it also does not mean that you get to misconstrue the HIV virus. Diba? Unang-una, bakit hindi nyo malunok, hindi nyo matanggap na yung HIV mataas sa gay community or sa LGBT community? It's because of how it is transmitted sexually. Gusto nyo mag-science ulit, di ba? Yung mga baking ngayon, mahilig sa science eh. So, yung transmission sa gay community is mataas because for one, the person can be a receiver or a giver ng virus dahil sa pagiging top o bottom nila or yung pagta-transform nila doon sa posisyon ng kama. Tapos, the method of transmission, which is yung semen, contains high amounts of HIV virus na nilalabas nyo saan? Sa wet packs. Now, bakit mas mataas ang transmission sa wet packs kesa sa vagin? It's because the wet packs is not really trained for that kind of purpose. So, yung lining ng wet packs madaling mapunit. And then of course, if it's madaling mapunit, then mas madaling makapasok yung HIV virus doon sa mga punit na ginagawa nyo, labas-masok doon. And while yung vagin naman kasi is made for that, it is not 100% foolproof. But of course, again, like what I said, mas mataas pa rin ang transmission doon sa anal. Now, kung may dapat kayong encourage na magpates, it's your community, the LGBT. Not because we are singling you out, but the scientific data tells so na mataas yung probability na magkaroon kayo or manghawa kayo ng HIV. Gets? So, yung argument na bakit yung ibang bansa yung mga LGBT hindi naman matataas? Well, does that mean that they are a better LGBT than dito sa Pilipinas? Maybe mas disiplinado sila doon. Alam nila yung responsibilidad nila sa pakikipagtalik. So on and so forth. However, dito sa Pilipinas, lantad na lantad yung kabaklaan, pero hindi nila madisiplina yung mga sarili nila towards doing what is necessary to help fight or curb the growth of HIV. Capish? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.